Hey guys, welcome in today's video, and in this tutorial you will learn about the type conversion in Python and some useful type conversion functions. Let's get started. To get input from users, you use the input function. For example, value equals to input, and within the bracket we are writing a string, and if we are going to print the value, then it will prompt you for input on the terminal, enter a value. If you enter a value, for example a number, the program will display the value back. However, the input function returns a string, not an integer. The following example prompts you to enter two input values, net price and tax rate. After that, it calculates the tax and display the result on the screen. Here is the code. When you execute the code and enter some numbers, you will get the following error. Since the input values are strings, you cannot apply the multiply operator. To solve this issue, you need to convert the string to numbers before performing calculations. To convert a string to a number, you use the function int. More precisely, the int function converts a string to an integer. For example, we use a string function to convert the input string to number. Here is the code. If you run the program and enter some value, you will see that it works correctly. Other type conversion functions. Beside the int str function, Python supports other type conversions functions. The following shows the most important ones for now. Float string, convert a string to a floating point number. Bool val, convert a value to a boolean value, either true or false. Str val returns the string representation of a value. Getting the type of a value. To get the type of a value, we use the type function. For example, as you can see, the number 100 has a type of int, the number 2.0 has a type of float, and the string hello has a type of str, and the true value has a type of bool. In front of each type, you can see class keyword. It isn't important for now. You will learn more about the class later.